Is that good?
That's not what's happening on our other camera.
That's what I was asking because it wasn't doing the countdown.
Yeah,
all right, I'll do this.
Do we have to unstrap this?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want to get inside? Want me to help you tape?
Yes.
Okay.
And actually strap because I accidentally cut off the strap, so it's going to be harder.
Good job, guys.
Why don't you stay right back up a little bit? Let's take the slack out of what you have. Okay. Okay, when it's time to launch, when it's time to
Oh shoot, I just put a finger on the camera. Can you like wipe it off? In the bottom.
Stand in here. Stand in here. Because I don't want the thing to swing in width. So I want you to hold it, just kind of let go of it. Let's go first. Okay, Charisse, we got a countdown.
Wait, you wanna look? Wait, can you guys bring it up more or no? No.
No, they're maxed out. Okay,
You want me to just let go
maxed
when they
out.
say go?
let me have this.
Okay.
One hand can do it. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.